Plug in the cable, the wang. Check that out. It's almost like they were saying to mine, yeah, get those KRKs. So there you can see the model KREATE 3. This is quite a new set of speakers from KRK. And it's one of those active monitor studio speaker sets that has the other speaker over here. This speaker right here is the active one with the amplifier. See the connections over here. So we have unbalanced, the olden style connector, balanced TRS, and also an aux input. So this can be used without audio interface. It also has a Bluetooth, and that's great. Just one thing about the Bluetooth in these KRK speakers. One thing, they have a bit of latency in them. If you play back something like this in video editing mode, the audio is going to be not in the sync because the wireless connection has a bit of a latency in it. One of the selling points in this speaker set was that this connector here is not your regular plus and minus type of speaker cable, and there's no audio cables over here. There's only the connecting cable and the power cable. Last look at that box. Now let's get those speakers on those stands. And I hope that somebody understands when I put these speakers on these speaker stands. Like this. Get some light on it. As you can tell, these are not the biggest studio monitor speakers ever. But man, they look snazzy. And check that out, it's almost like they were saying to mine, yeah, get those KRKs. Plug in the cable, the wang. Just like that. Sometimes it's just like so, that when you get a new monitor, you have to route the cables again, and it's a pain in the end. I have the most lavish ways to spend. For real, you guys, you can write songs about anything there. Now for the moment of truth. Is this cable long enough to the other speaker stand? If it's not, I'm going to be pretty pissed off. But I believe that in me they see that it's true detective that needs a lot of cable, and it has to be a little slack. It cannot run further than that. Okay, so I think that the cable is just a tad too short over here. This kind of stuff, you have a cable going through there. Okay, let me be very clear. With YouTube videos, with this grade of a mic, with all the stuff I have done with that recording, with these acoustic panels, this sounds fucking great. It sounds great. Okay guys, these sound amazing. These sound amazing. These sound amazing. I had in my past these studio monitor speakers. They were the Behringer Truths, and they didn't sound this good. These speakers don't have, with the Bluetooth, any hiss on them. Maybe it's because of these stands also. I got them the right height. It's the kind of perfect stereo picture there. I feel that it's a very good speaker set for any vocalist. For anybody that works with his own voice on top of any track. I highly recommend this speaker set by KRK. Holy shit, this is good. Thanks for watching this video.